sanding it?
Because I liked the stain on it, but since we put that matte varnish on to protect it, it's turned it like a yellow-orange, and I don't like it.
So off with its head.
It's like bad fake tan. So yeah, off with its head.
We've got some new clear varnish, which is water-based, which shouldn't, hopefully, leave an orange tinge. But we'll see, eh? While Shell has been busy today sanding and varnishing, I've been changing the layout of the shower just slightly. So I've lifted the footplate that was there. I've got the first wall up there, and I'm going to sort this side out here and then roll that up and in.
Take the seats.
The bottom back section's in. Cables behind, cut out. There's going to be a 45 there, and that'll get fibreglassed up and in. Only wires are falling down driving.
Yes, I much prefer it lighter.
Yeah, it brightens it up as well, doesn't it? Reflects lighting. So we went from dark to light. We're going to have a plug socket here, so I need to cut out for that. Renogy is still ongoing. I've given them my terms, but they've said their legal department don't agree to them, so we'll see. We may end up in court yet. Several hours.
I had to empty it and put them.
Yeah, you don't want me to film you, do you?
Nope.
Why is that, Shell? Why don't you want me to film you, Shell? Why are you not talking, Shell?
Graham thinks he's so funny.
I am so funny.
Yeah. Oh, that dropped. One of them drops. That's behind your desk. No, I'll go get it in a minute.
That's it. Wow, there's some impressive instructions. Not at all. So is that doesn't create a waterproof seal to there, so does there a seal ring come off, or are we missing a seal ring? Because I don't see. The seal ring for that would definitely be a seal ring there, but that's not going to fit for ours, is it? Oh dear. And proper fitment. I don't like the fact that it overhangs.
And it does overhang.
And it does overhang. This is the nicest tap we've found that doesn't look massive. It sits in the middle there like that, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it looks like it's not going to be right.
What a shame.
Gives you room to get a water bottle under.
Well, that was our biggest problem, wasn't it? Trying to get
a soapy dispenser there for washing your hands.
This is the realities of van building, isn't it?
It is. You get something, you think it's fit for purpose, and it turns out not to be. Anyway.
You've got to make sure it's right. No room for mistakes on this one. No, what? What? I don't think that...
So
stand at this side.
Okay.
Ready to come, coming along the line.
So we got some triangles and he's spotting the line, so he's making a shower in the van because it's not cool wolfing, car's cool wolfing, and we need to get Daddy's car. Bye.
There's definitely a bit more flappiness about it now. But it looks good.
Watch out! I was going to film it from top to bottom. Keep it still while I fill the hole.
Yeah.
Hold on. Yep, it's good. Very good.
So, I don't think it's going to fit this yet.
Are you going to show them our bargain?
Give it a bargain tap.
And the sink was a bargain as well. How much was the sink?
30 quid.
And the tap was 22.
And the waste kit, which isn't going to fit, is a tenner.
Why is it not going to fit?
It just doesn't look like it's going to fit.
Does to me.
That's it.
Looks like it's going to fit to me.
Simple.
Years later. There you go.
Nope, it's too big.
Oh, is it? Why?
Yeah.
Why is it too big?
Because it's too big for the hole. I'll never be able to create a
suction.
seal.
Right. May have got the sink cheap, but we're gonna have
Nothing
to...
fits it and it fits nothing. 1 tap, 2 taps, 3 taps.
How many have we had?
This will be the 4th tap, will it?
Yeah.
This one's a little dinker. Oh, it's cute. This is more camper van size.
Yeah. It was massive, the other one.
It was. Which was a massive tap.
Yes,
Here
nice.
we go.
Nice.
Nice looking more like, isn't it? Is it going to sit? Oh, it just does. Look at that.
Oh, chosen by the girl.
Cute.
Not,
Yeah.
yep, I like it.
Got wires everywhere at the minute because they all bounced out the other day when we went for a drive to the lock up. See, this comes with a waste. So we bought this sink. We got it off eBay. I will link to it. It was only 30 quid. It came with a trap and waste, but the trap and waste that comes is this one, and it's not UK size. So this diameter is 110 mil, whereas UK for the bigger ones is 114 mil. So what that means is it won't fit. It flails around. Now, this one obviously does fit because it's made to do so, and it just sits in nicely. Now, I did think about wedging it up with a rubber seal and then a couple of other gaskets, but that would still leave it then sat proud of the hole. So you'd always end up with a lip, and it'd always get right on my nerves because you'd end up with that lip and water would sit against that lip. It wouldn't run in. So you'd end up with that little pull down the bottom. So I think what I'm going to have to do is mark my 114 mil, fix this to me drill, and then grind it down effectively, or file it down. I've not decided which yet. Mad ideas that Graham has. So I've bolted this onto there, and now I'm going to try and file it down. So this one's working the best. It's a belt sander belt, and obviously they're a bit harder wearing than sandpaper. My files, because you're supposed to do that, I couldn't get the motion going. But this is just slowly but surely I'm keeping my fingers apart because if it does manage to cut through, I don't want it to slice my finger off.
It'll fly across the road if you slice your finger off.
Just put that out there, why don't you? Right, we're getting somewhere near now. So I've got some 320 now. Just to take the edge off, really. That isn't bad. Bit warm.
You okay, Maximus?
It's definitely a bit sharp.
Maximus, what are you doing?
Oh, look at that. You'd never know, would you?
You'd never know.
If you didn't know, you wouldn't know. Right, I'll tidy that edge up and just take a bit more of the sharpness off.
Yes, please.
Not that it'll matter in the sink because it'll be behind the seal. So after a little bit of a faff, I've machined it down and then polished it off, and to be fair, you'd never know. Let's just give that a little, you can see there, it's looking very good. Excuse me, are you eating your tea in the van?
I want some tea, don't let me concentrate.
So there we go. I've just temporarily secured the tap, the little quarter turn cartridges. It just angles straight down into the plug hole, and we've got a proper UK 1.5 inch into 100 mil recessed plug hole. Another couple of hours. That side's in, the front's back on. It's all bonded together now. I need a couple of 104s really, I think, to get up there. Or something similar, at least an 80. And then this will be boxed in now with the base ready for the fiberglass. Has some shallower edges, but edges here, and then the big 45 to cover the wiring at the back to match up to those two. But it's getting late and I've had enough for tonight, so that's that one.
In war, there's never an option to run.